It's my crib. Come in, guys. So, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deborah. Welcome. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. And make sure you continue to stay tuned. So, guys, if you've not watched my Visit My Investment Property, guys, make sure you watch it. I'll put the link in the description box below. Make sure you watch it because that is part 1 and this is part 2. So that's before and this is after. So guys, come here. So welcome to the front room. This is the front room. So we changed the flooring. And we stripped the walls, we plastered the walls and painted it. Gave it a very neutral look. Put some nice laminated wooden flooring on the floor, and this section here, guys. Remember, it was very bad in terms of the mold with the ventilation. We treated the walls out, plastered it, and painted it. So this paint is from Dulux Rock Salt, if you are after this colour. And this, guys, just a neutral, nice sort of colour in order for the tenants to basically make it their own home. So here we have this section. Before it was an arch and there was no door here, so we broke it out, made it into a rectangle, and here you have a nice glass door. So that it creates a segregation between the 2 rooms. Yes, guys. So here we changed the lights, we fitted some spotlights in to give it a much more modern, sort of nice open plan look. Also have the understairs storage. If you recall, we didn't have any cabinets here, so we basically put some cupboards up in order to just make it nice and cute. So this is the kitchen, guys, and the kitchen was in a very bad state. We stripped it all out and replaced a new fitted kitchen. So these are the J-Paul handless cupboards, much more durable. So we have some nice laminated worktop. It was an existing electric oven, so we just kept it the same. New extractor fan, new induction hob, new oven, all that sort of stuff. Got some drawers here, and sink. Coming into the bathroom. Guys, so if you remember, we had the bathroom come along here. And now we've placed the bathroom here. So as you can see, to maximize the space in the bathroom, we decided to place it here. And then we have the sink, we have this nice mirror, we have the towel radiator, we placed the towel radiator with this nice towel radiator here. And then you have the toilet, guys. So yes, something nice. Garden. I didn't actually do much to the garden. As you can see, it is raining, so I am not going to be going outside. But yes guys, just literally just cleared it up, mowed the lawn, and it's pretty decent for the tenants. So yes guys. This carpet guys, the underlay literally is really good quality, and the carpet itself, like, I think I spent a bit more money than expected for the carpet, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. Nice and cozy guys. I can actually just sleep on here, but yeah, the carpet is just really good quality, nice and cozy, and I pretty much like the colour as well. So guys, come along. Into room 1, so literally just stripped it all out, plastered it and painted it, neutral walls, nice cozy carpet, and yes guys, so this is room 1. Guys, I even put silver chrome fittings for them, not just the basic white ones, but you have this nice chrome just to give it that nice finishing touch. Same as just stripping it all out, plastering it, painting it, new skirting boards, new flooring, new doors, the whole lot. Third room, so this is the bigger room, and here there was a lot of mold on this section previously, so we sort of treated it, plastered it, painted it. There was a glass sort of, I think, a 2 sliding door wardrobe here before, so we just literally fitted it with some 2 cupboards as more storage for your clothes. And also this section here as well guys, if you remember, it was an arch as well. So we just broke it out, made it into a square, and literally just fitted a door in so you can put extra clothes in for your storage. So much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your support. So as you can see guys, this total project took about 8 weeks in total. The plastering did cause a bit of delay because it didn't dry on time, but aside from that, everything went, you know, fairly well. And now the tenants move in tomorrow, so pretty excited. And yeah, so if you've got any inquiries, make sure you comment below. The Romy Properties, make sure you follow them on Instagram. We carry out renovation works, you know, kitchen, bathrooms, new flooring, painting, decorating, all that sort of stuff guys. So make sure you contact the Romy Properties at gmail.com for any of the inquiries, and I will put the email and information in the description box below. So yes guys, there's another project coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe. If you love everything property, then definitely this is the channel you need to subscribe to. And yes guys, there's more to come. Make sure you stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.